baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team.
Hello beautiful people and welcome to Lip Balm Kids TV. So today's video is brought to you by Ft.Luvwin hair, and let me tell you, before I even start this video, I'm gonna give you this right now. This wig, and y'all know I don't say this, I've maybe said this once or twice, is a 10 out of 10. There's nothing I would change about this wig. This wig is absolutely freaking perfect, okay? So first, let's get into this wig. I never really do the whole like wig and an updo because I just be afraid that it looks kind of silly, or like it pulls and the edges you have to slick them, and it just doesn't give natural all the time. Every now and then I get a fire ass wig that I can wear up, that's kind of like versatile, but for the most part I wear them down just because they look more realistic down to me. I mean, obviously you know it's a wig, but it looks more realistic when it's down. This wig, y'all, 15-year-old me is screaming right now. Like, if I could have had a wig like this in freaking high school, I would have. Look at this. Like, and then I got the little flyaways down here because my hair in the back is too short to pull up in the ponytail in the front. Like, this is giving. Like I said, 15, 16-year-old me is fucking gagging right now. So let me tell y'all about this. So we have here our Kinky straight with the 4C edge hairline. Get into the hairline. Get into the hairline. So I did leave my real edges out right here, but as you can see, it's still blending. I'm just kidding, that's not my real edges. But you believe me, didn't you? You believed me for a split second because bitch, it looked like it could have been my real edges. Like, look at that. Again, for the girls, okay? So I decided to wear this up, but I'm gonna take it down and show you guys. I'm just amazed at this. Like, honestly, y'all did y'all's big one, from like the layer to the length to like the edges to the hairline. I plucked for maybe like 30 seconds, but it was pre-plucked. I bleached the knots using our 40 developer and our bleach powder. You can get that from your local beauty supply store on Amazon. And I bleached it for about 20 minutes. And then guess what, y'all? Glueless! Glueless! Like, I am not bullshitting. I did not use one drop of glue. Okay, I used some hairspray, some spritz, the got to be, and that's it. I tied it down one time and that's it. And I don't have to go in and create the hairline. I don't have to go in and cut out edges. I don't have to curl my edges to make them look like more blended and seamless. They're just giving. Like, let me pull out some more so y'all can see. Like, this is just, I honestly, like, they better email me. Ft.Luvwin, y'all better email me again. Okay, this is about to be a long-term partnership, okay? You cannot get rid of Lip Balm Kids TV. As long as you're making fire-ass wigs like this, where I can trick a nigga and have him thinking that this is my hair, you are stuck with me, okay, Ft.Luvwin? We in this for life. We locked in for life, okay? As long as y'all got these edges like this, you got me, okay? You got to deal with me. So another thing that I really liked about this wig, I'm gonna take it down so you guys can see, but another thing that I really liked about it was the parting space. Okay, so I suck at French braiding, but just to show you guys real quick, 2 seconds, parting space, and I mean, we're going to the middle of my head, parting space. If I wanted to twist this up and do a half up, half down, obviously the part is not straight, but what I'm saying is there's parting space. I can play with it. I can twist this up like this, and you know, I just look at this. Like, it looks like I just got my hair cut into a bob and I got a blowout and I've been sweating my edges out. That's what it's giving. But I know y'all don't want to hear me yapper. That's why I gave y'all the rating off the rip, so you can know I have a lot of good things to say about this. 10 out of 10. Ft.Luvwin hair. Ain't nobody fucking with you in my eyes, okay? Nobody fucking with you. And it's affordable. Stop it. Stop it. And then the Kinky texture, when it was wet, I did not get a clip of it being wet, but it was super, it had like a crinkle to it. You know, when you deep condition the Kinky hair, how it has like a natural crinkle to it. It had that. So honestly, I could have really went without blow drying it, without straightening it. I could have just installed it, but I wanted to see what it would look like straight. But yeah, are you serious right now? Like, bitch, please. So anyway, if you guys like to see how I installed my natural kinky edges, low maintenance, black girl friendly, giving you real girl hair looks, giving you real hair looks, giving you real hair looks. Oh my God. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this cute pineapple ponytail install, seamless, easy install, then just keep watching.
All our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there something that will make her feel better? Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.